What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm Hype C. I play games, make games everywhere, and today we are gonna be talking about the spooky game jam that ends this week. I am working on some characters in a pretty cool game too. It's kind of like a trick or treat game. And to start off, I thought we also quickly show off some of the cool little worlds people are making, but I see now that I have some sunlight happening and it's shining on the computer monitor. So yo, what's up? King 38 in the house. Thanks for hanging out. We're just gonna be working on some games for the spooky jam, and yeah, also, I have like two characters. I got like a clown it character and kind of like a demon dude. Yeah, just making some spooky characters. Hold on a second. When filming, lighting is an issue. Always gotta have good lighting set up. My Discord account got banned. I appealed to Discord and I hope I got my account back. Ah man, did you get hacked again? That's rough, man. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, hopefully, yeah, I guess you just have to go through the steps to figure out what will make them happy. Because I know people have multiple Discord accounts, but that's a bummer, dude, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully, get that fixed sooner than later. But I'm sure you get on Discord eventually. Just gotta have that patience. No, but I got an email and he said I violated Discord terms of service. Yeah. Oh no. Well, hopefully you know what you did. That seems like. I'll be honest. I've never read their terms of service, but I clicked the box that said I did. So, oop. Go ahead. Go to focus mode and let's take a look at some of these planets. This one's cool. Soul Spark. I made a planet. It took me like 2.5 hours. It felt like a lot longer. It's weird. Sometimes when you're in the middle of just like making stuff, it feels like it's a long time, but then it's not as long as you thought it would be. So yeah, here's a like these are just cool and fun and take a little bit of time to do. And yeah, look at that. This is the original OG. It's cool because before this planet thing became a thing, I actually remember seeing like 1 or 2 or 3 planets, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. That's a couple little planets, and then it just became a huge, not a huge, but like a thing where multiple people just started making planets. Oh, yeah, what's up? PT Jones in the house. Oh, I'm making my planet as we speak. Yeah, like this is a fun. I was just saying, this is a fun little concept because I remember seeing before it became like a hype train. I guess that's what we're calling these now. I remember seeing a couple of different little planets and literally thinking, "Oh, that's cool." And then when it became a thing, I was busy working on a couple of other things, so I didn't have time to. I really like this one. I was working on a couple of other things, and then, yeah, man, Cyberpunk. I got little spaceships. I was trying to get that top dome and the color mixing to work properly. Never figured it out, but I did get the background to like flash. I figured that out. Where is my beard comb, man? I keep looking, and it's like it's all that morning state. It needs to be tamed. Hold up. Okay, so that's it. And then we got the spooky jam, which is happening. You know, I'm trying to. I mean, this is, I think this is better than like nothing, but I'm just still working on it. We got 2.5 days left. Yeah, Tuesday, which is now, Wednesday, and then very early Thursday. So yeah, you know what? 2 days left. Two days left. I got this guy. And then I got a guy like this. Still not. Come on. We may have a freeze. Yeah, I think that totally qualifies. And if you can have that planet in a game where it like smashes into other planets, that'd be like a double qualification. Okay, I think we froze. Yeah, we have a freeze. Let's go ahead and reset that. We got people playing Boom Bros. It's always cool to watch people play. So this is the next demon to like. He's not complete. He's supposed to be like a rock body or something. Yeah. Oh, and thanks for sending me that info on the follow balloon. I don't know if I'd be able. I saw it last night before I was going to bed, but I saw the concept of it, which was very similar to how those keys follow people. So that's really cool because it's just using another effect to create the same effect I was looking for. And yeah, so I'm gonna try that out later. Yeah, so I don't know, Rock Dude, he's cool, but here's the cool stuff that I'm actually working on this game. And I'm trying to figure out how to do zombies or whatever. And the game doesn't look that cool right now because there's like no fog, but let's go ahead and add the fog. This is what I've really been working on. I mean, not really. This is the game, and I might have to make this guy be a character, but I wanted to add other people's spooky creations in this game. So like here, this is a trick-or-treater, and that box on top will be invisible, but essentially you go here and you get the option to trick or treat. And I wanted, so like if you hit trick, a zombie appears. Yeah, like there's a zombie but he just kind of like runs around and then he falls over. So that's I'm still working on it. I grabbed the some zombies from what, like the Last Survive zombie game I think Shogun made, and then he made another one. Oh, you know what I just realized? Let me do I want it? Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to go live on TikTok, but then there's no music. Yeah, so there's this one, and also here, let's have so you can't jump over the fence. Then you can grab some pumpkins, get the point, and then wait, this one, since you're watching this PT, or if anybody's watching this is a trick, because obviously you don't want the trick. If you hit the trick, you're gonna get like a zombie or something and they could kill you, and that, so you just hit the ore and you get a candy. Then you hit treat and you get a candy. And then there's a candy score counter. And then like there's certain things like here. Get more candy. And then I'm just gonna like hide candy all over this place. This is like a little house with neighborhood. Notice this fence. You can walk through that fence. Oh, and look, there's a zombie. He just falls over. And I'm gonna just hide candy everywhere. And then again, trick or treat. But again, the zombie, like that's not. You get the concept though. Yeah, and so that's what we're working on. Let's see. Where is? There we go. And why is there a fence shadow coming from the sky? Okay, so I added a rotation to. Oh yeah. Check out the light bulbs. There's that zombie. He's just falling. I tried to add a stabilizer to the dude. It didn't work. But that's okay. So I really like the lights. That's just on random. And yeah, let's go ahead and do some stuff to this game. Let me. Might as well add some TikTok. Portrait. Spooky game jam dev. Sometimes go live on TikTok, but I'll be honest, my TikToks are not that great. I think my TikToks would be better if I'm like talking all the time, but you know, when I'm making games, I just try to like just focus on doing some cool stuff, right? I'm not about like commenting the whole time, but now it's easier for me to like comment in game dev because yeah, I don't know. I think it's easier when I'm like, I only do this once a week, so the other times I'm on TikTok, I'm just kind of getting in the zone, making stuff. So what do we got? PT Jones, not sure if I'll make a game. I kind of have a lot of projects going on, but I'll be more than happy to create a monster showcase. Yeah, man, like make the monster challenge. Creating a monster challenge is the one I believe that will have the most entries. And I've already taken a look, and you know what? We'll take a look and maybe even grab some for this game, because I made this game ideally. I'll be honest with you, ideally to just grab other people's monsters, because I'm trying to keep this game be simple. You know, that's always a difficult challenge because like everything is complicated. Well, not everything is complicated. It's just like here, you know, we got this dude in this costume setup, but like having a trick or treat like this, having that, like to me, all these things took time. It's weird because like when you're making a game, you have an idea, you're like, oh, I'll do this, and then it takes like an hour, and then I'm still trying to figure out how to add the zombies that follow you. But I wanted to do like cool. I think that's supposed to be a house there. Yeah, there is a house there. It's okay, so that's just further back. I wanted to add other people's zombie characters, so let's go ahead and save this. And let's take a quick sneak peek into the Spooky Jam, see what people have submitted, and maybe I can hit the remix button and take some of this. Like, this looks cool. I definitely got to get, I mean, I kind of do like that box on the top. Oh man, that candy just stops him. Oh, but we can go through the fence that I haven't added. And you can get the pumpkins. And you hit 5 of them, and then it causes the game over. Still working on it. Again, I got 2 full days. So I will be setting that up. Spooky Jam 22. Let's see what some of the submissions are. I already like this guy. This guy, I want this guy. Oh no, we got another crash. Well, like the clock guy. Oh, and now with the new copy and paste technique, I can go in, copy multiple objects at once. Okay, let's stay with me. I'm going to be copying and pasting. This app is still in beta. It's being tested. And yeah, if you... I see people joining on the TikTok. There's the app. It's in beta. Again, it's not perfect. They're making it better every day. And yeah, okay, what are we looking at? We're looking at Spooky Jam 22, I believe is the entry code. Okay, so we like this guy. He's cool. I miss it. I miss the remix button being over here. I just thought that was the best thing. So this is just awkward. You have to hit the bottom right. You go here, and then you hit this remix button. And then it brings you to what somebody has made. 2-step process. I'm a big fan of the Amazon single click, but I understand, gotta try new things out, see what works best, and maybe they're doing some like data point analysis on clicks and to see, who knows. Game is being, the app is under construction, and like again, you have to hit the action button and then you hit copy. To me, with the whole Amazon concept of just one click away, it seems interesting that there's 2 clicks, but again, I believe they're doing it to make some data. Let's take a look at this alien. Okay, this is cool. Been trapped here for days, scared of a monster. Liam Lucas makes great games. If you don't follow him, be sure to check him out. I'm gonna hit play. Let's see if we can't see where the monster is. Oh, it looks like we have to get a card. And we got a little lackey, and he's got the follow on, which is cool because I've been trying to use the follow node to get the player. This dude didn't make it. We got a torchlight. Really cool effect on the flashlight as well, so be sure to notice that. Oh, and this keycard machine. Look at that. Oh crap. That was great. Let's go in. Let's grab that alien. Okay, I want to make sure I grab all of him. So we go here, like this. I mean, it looks like this is selected, so I'm gonna go ahead, hit action, hit copy. Again, the 2-step copy process. Interesting. That was great though. That was Alien Escape by Lucas. So good. Always try to leave comments to support your creators. They like it. I like it. I read all my comments people write. Yo, nice hype. Can you add a time-based leaderboard, please? The time doesn't have to be visible. I just want to speedrun it. Haha. Yep, that's Snot Viper. Oh, look. Oh, and Snot Viper's wish. And then Liam got the fastest score because he knows what's up. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab this clock monster again. multiple remixes button. We'll go into it, hit remixes type, and we need area select, like this. Ooh, this is much thicker. That's weird, or it's new at least. So let's deselect everything other than the dude we want. Okay, and some reason, maybe just select him one at a time. I don't know if I'm getting his legs. And I got that dude, which, okay, so it's like a two-piece. It's like a skeleton wearing a clock mask, which is kind of cool. A cool concept. Let's go in here, grab that, and then grab this. Is that good? Yeah, we got everything. So action, hit copy. Okay, now let's just go ahead and try placing some of these in my game. Well, that's the main thing I wanted to do with this game. Is it's supposed to be like trick-or-treating, but with the characters that other people have made. I thought would be a fun addition. But again, this might not work because the size of things are different. Okay, look, so we got the first dude. He copied in just fine. That's good. Let's check out the second dude. We got the alien. I don't know if this is gonna try to kill anybody. I would love to add that follow node. And then what's the third guy? No, wait, we already added that guy. Delete. Paste this one. Oh, and he looks so small, and let's make him big. So I think I have a hold on, let me go ahead and group that all together. There we go. No, I want to. What's this? Group that like that. Wait, gotta ungroup it. Oops. Undo. There we go. Okay. Grab the skeleton dude. Let me grab him. There we go. Okay, so definitely gotta get better at grabbing multiple things at once. But yeah, just gonna add these characters, the ones that work. So some of them will be too big. Okay, I think I gotta select the skeleton first. Zoom in. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna undo it. There we go. Just hit the undo button a bunch. Okay. Grab this. I'm gonna group this alien. That should be good. And then let's go ahead and what was it? Paste. Oh no! No! It's gone. The clock monster. Okay, so it's good to know. I hit the undo button a bunch, and it got rid of it. So I think I have a follow enemy zombie. Okay, I don't know. I want to see if this dude follows. No, he's stuck in somehow, I think, happens. Okay, you saw that? Something part of the zombie. Oh, good eye. Good eye. sun moves fast. So something here moves, right? Like look at the something is causing, something is moving. Something has some physics going on. Really cool alien creature. Ideally, I would like to have these characters be able to follow the main character or the kid trick-or-treating. But yeah, we'll see if I can get that. Right now, let's just copy and paste. I want to go get that monster. Oh, it's this one, I believe. Yes. Okay, so I just missed it. I just didn't see where the monster or the paste option was. Again, this is a new paste option than before. Go ahead and group this. Yeah. Do you any idea if there's a follow add-on? You know what I saw? Okay, let's save this. And let's go back to look at that Liam game Aliens, which was amazing. I believe it's this one. And let's take a look inside, because his character, there's a yeah, this dude, sidekick, has a follow, simple follow. Like I need that. I think I might have that. Hi, I'm Bobby. Well, let's go. Let's just copy Bobby. Yeah, okay. Now we got Bobby, and he's in the copy paste library, and we can continue looking for other dudes. Here we got a vampire skeleton. That's cool. Yeah, this clock box. So, oh, I thought this dude was kind of cool. So right now I'm just selecting him, and now I'm gonna hit ungroup. It said wait, this is already grouped. Okay, well, whatever. We hit action, hit copy. So I might change that guy's color up a little bit, and this is a little creepy. This is definitely okay. That's cool though. Like that. Okay, let's see what else we got. He looks like I don't even know what these are called. Care something. But this one's definitely got a cannon on his head. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna try to take all of this. This looks like I could take this and I can add it to somebody's front yard. That's what I'm thinking. Let's go hit action, hit copy. Now, I've never done this before where I just like copy a bunch of different things. So we'll have to see how it works. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, this is awesome. You got the trees just getting in the way. Capybara. Okay, so that's what they're called. I've seen them. Alright, I like it. Let's go ahead and grab this demon dude. Wait, where is he? Oh wait, is this actually him and then he changes color? Yeah. Yeah, I think something activates it. Yeah, there's an interval of 0.6 seconds. and it's set to move. Yeah, but where's the color change happen? Amu also did a Cappy Planet. Oh yeah, I saw that. That was the color scheme and the way he makes everything like what pastel. It just looks great. Let's see if I can't. Yeah, I'm not sure how this dude changes into like a live action scene. There's something. Okay, well, whatever. Let's just copy and paste and then we'll figure it out later. Copy, select all. So I have everything selected, just double check. So I got his feet. Yeah, see, look, I missed his feet. His feet are some kind of bucket thingies. And, do I have to grab these little claws? Yeah, I need to grab some of these claws that are spiking out of him. Oh, you know what? These are actually just grass. And maybe his eye? I don't know. I feel like... Alright. Got that one. Oh, he's got a tail too. So just by moving the camera, this is why it's 2 fingers on the screen and you rotate the camera. Being able to move it very well and pay attention, because here you can see there's a little whisker and it's highlighted in the white. That means we got it. But over here you can see that this one is not highlighted, which means we don't got it. So we need to double tap it. Okay. And tap and hold. Yeah, see. Oh. Okay. Make sure we got everything. Make sure not missing anything. Okay, cool. Action. Hit copy. We'll grab a couple more. I mean, I dig it. We can, yeah, let's grab it. Simple enough. There you pick, select. This is nice. This is much thicker than before, so I dig that. Let's group it. Hit action, hit copy. So now we have multiple different objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if there's a way to like, what, empty the recycle bin or just clean those out after I've already used it, because there's gotta be something. Okay, we got Hyper Games Meme, we got the Pumpkin Dude. Doors Seek Dead Teenager. Okay. This is like a game. It's like, okay, so this is the animation. We got a Cyclops. And let's go ahead and grab this big monkey. My apologies. This is a gorilla. The king flying gorilla with wings. Okay, tap. Is his wings selected? No, it's not. Okay, let's go to area pick. There we go. Now we got everything. Action, copy. Now let's paste it into our trick or treat game. Where is it? Where's the trick or treat game? Where'd it go? Okay, so we got the alien, we got this clock monster. Okay, so now we have this dude. And I want to be making all of these character object. Oh crap! I have just copied and pasted like a dozen things. Okay, not a dozen, but at least 4. Okay, so he's still there, but all the other things I were trying to copy and paste are now gone. I can make this guy move back and forth later. Like, what do you call it? The thing where they patrol. Yeah, I can do that. But let's also... I want to make him... Okay, there's other objects. Invent. Another crash. They're the new update. New updates tend to crash a lot more. And this was a big one. So, yeah, that's happening. I can't go to advanced? How about I just save it? Save it. Okay, now let me exit out of it. And I really like the trick when editing, you can just hit the amount of time. So I've spent 5 hours on this game and it goes straight into the edit mode. Here's the monkey. Gorilla, my apologies. We can change him to unmovable, dynamic, and let's see if it crashes if I hit advanced. Yes, this could be a problem. I hope it's not a problem. I'm gonna ignore it. I'm gonna go grab some of those spooky characters that apparently we did not get because I don't think I got this guy. Oh, you know what? I wanted this one. I mean, the whole thing with the new copy and paste is to be able to copy, to do it multiple times. So I guess it's still getting worked on. Group, action, copy. I'm gonna go back. I'll grab some of those other dudes later. I like that headless jack. Let's see what we got. Derp. Derp's always got cool stuff. Yeah, we're gonna grab this dude. Now I'll spend more time to be able to try to grab everybody later. Oh, and it's like a super dark setting. Let's go into the world. Yeah, and then we can get super light. And I believe I saw the dude below here. Yep. There he is. Totally being creepy. Alright, let's go here. There to pick. Select all this. And action, copy. Now let's go ahead and try to put it back into our trick or treat game. And if I can have these dudes like patrol or something, which I can do, I remember there was like a game and there's a mechanic out there that exists. So if there's a mechanic out there that exists and I've used it before, I should just be able to copy. Okay, yes, from last time. Let's paste some of these paste objects here. Okay. I wanted to group that. I think they're grouped. Yeah, these are not grouped. Notice how the wings... Oh, wait, no, it is grouped. Okay. And then... Yeah, okay, this guy, he looks fun. And then the next thing... Where is it? Where... Oh, paste. I'm gonna change that to this easy thing. Yeah, so this is cool. This is like literally someone else's character. I'll see if I can't do a, what do you call it, a like a at mention in the game. Again, I'm gonna try to make this like red, object red. This is what I was not able to do on the gorilla, and if the player touches it, like, or if this guy hits the main character, then it's basically a game over. PT Jones is talking about Holden York. I don't know. I'm gonna go with the there's the Mac build. What are you talking about, man? This, like for the Mac, that would, I mean, that would be cool, but I know you can play on any desktop, but you're telling me Mac and Windows build now available for HiPipe. Hold on, let me save this because I just did some cool stuff. That's all in beta though, right? PT, is that? I saw the icon. I just thought that meant that you can use it on a web browser. It's not an actual like application. Like if I open up HiPipe right now on my computer on desktop, I can make games. And I don't know, I think I would, or I should, but honestly, I dropped my mouse and my mouse doesn't have a right click button anymore. Although the mouses are the more affordable nowadays than they were when I bought this. Oh, that reminds me, I was supposed to look at something. Yeah, man, like it's available. Let me. Okay. Obviously, using the app is the most stable version out there. So wait, but like, are you? That's just the web browser. That's always been, like that right? Or am I missing? Am I missing something? Like, it's not its own full app, is it? Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm thinking it's just the it's on the official HiPipe webpage, not the wiki. My understanding is that just means you can use it on any desktop. I mean, you can use HiPipe on a Linux machine if you have a web browser. So, oh, it's like for the app store. It's like the Windows download for Mac. What you talking about? Yeah, I see that. I just don't understand it. Like, So it means that there's an individual app. Because I bet you the app for the Mac is better than the web browser. So that's my only main thing, because like, one, I need a new mouse, one that I can right click. Yeah, so for Windows, if you had to install, that's amazing. I mean, granted, totally love making games on my phone and my iPad, and you know, I've made games on my computer for the last like 5 years, and I'll be honest with you, it's cool. Like making games that, like, I had a monitor that was like one of those monitors that was like the things. It was like almost a movie screen, but then I broke it because I had whatever. But you know, I like it for like editing videos. So you know, yeah, making games on the iPad and the iPhone, super fun. But also, it is fun to use a computer. Awesome. Thanks for the likes from the people watching. That means a lot. That's super helpful and all that stuff. So, yeah, I wonder who we have to reach out and talk to, because I wouldn't mind checking it out for my laptop. My laptop is super powerful, and yeah. Yeah, I mean, like if I could buy the bigger iPad, I bought the smaller one because I travel a lot and it's portable, and it does a great job at that for sure. But it's a lot of fun. Also, you know what would be super cool eventually being able to make games on a touch screen TV. That would be dope. I'm here for that. Like the whole fact of you being able to touch everything and move things around, like that's just awesome. And I am low on tea. Crap. I'll be right back. Wait, I made green tea? Did I? No, I made. Yes, I did. And it's almost, yes, ready actually. Okay. Let's go grab some other characters from some other games, and then I'll do a refill on my rank. It looks like I'm a level 2. And they got some new templates. And easy tutorials. So yeah, I'm thinking about making a video for each of these tutorials, just kind of like a walkthrough. I think they're great tutorials. But again, the main thing is like learning how to move around and just getting used to the UI, in my opinion. So anything that does that is helpful. Okay, so we saw that dude, we saw that one. I'll grab some of these later. I'm just trying to grab. I actually like this guy. I wonder if I can get him to walk around and chase bad guys. That would be ideal. Or chase, I guess, technically good guys. The Shadow Man. Group it. Copy. Well, that's kind of funny because you definitely see something running in the background. Got Headless Jack, red smile guy. Iris. Okay, we're just gonna select everything here and deselect. Iris is in the throne. Tap and hold to deselect. I mean, we could probably grab some of this quickly. Again, moving around in 3D, making sure we get everything is, you want the white outline. So if you see something that doesn't have a white outline, that means it will not be copied. Yeah, I think we want most of this to get copied. Okay, so let's go hit action, hit copy. Yeah, man. Yeah, that so PT Jones is asking to try out the collab feature. HypeHype eventually will allow the ability for multiplayer game creation collaboration. Yeah, dude, I am 100% down. Let me grab one more spooky. Oh yeah, this dude creeps me out. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. What is he eating? A bookshelf? Alright, let's grab him. Make sure we got all the teeth. Action copy. Okay, let's check it out. I got a bunch of dudes. Come on. The UI still needs a little bit of work. Okay, collab feature. Out of curiosity, I want to test as a collab feature. Just enable a live stream on your hype and I'll see if I can join. Okay. Oh yeah, same issue. I'd say that 70% of my work is done on PC. The rest is just testing on my phone, I believe. Oh, what is this? Oh, creator kickstart. Master of menus. I mean, personally, I think the UI could be always improved, but that's like everything. Okay, so I don't have to do anything. I thought maybe I had to go in here. All right. Okay, let's give it a go. But that seems weird that you would just be able to join configure. All right, I'm gonna go start pasting some of these characters I took. We got this guy. We got. I didn't get the name tag. Let's go ahead and put this here. That. Yeah. Okay, so I guess my only thought is I would think I would need to turn it on. Not that it would just be on, because then um and maybe that is the one thing that I'm missing, is that I don't have that ability to turn it on yet. Yeah, man, that'd be cool. That I'm like having multiple. Eventually, dude, we'll get there. We'll get there for sure, right? We got the Shadow Man. Yeah, man, I'm digging this. I'm just taking all these creatures that other people have made, and I'm putting them in to my little trick or treat world. So right now, I'm just putting them in, and then oh no, we don't need. We already got that guy. Alright, didn't I already add this dude? And then I added this guy too. Yeah, so like that's the one thing I'm not sure. Like, how do you empty the paste? Like how do you get rid of all these? Like they stay there, or maybe you hit save, you confirm. Yeah, again, Hype early access in beta, so not everything is fully full-fledged set up. Oh man, I think we might have no more sun. I think it's disabled. Could you check if it's enabled? Yes, I can check. Do we know where it is? I was looking here. Once you open your hype, it should say on the top left. Oh yeah, no, I looked. Let me do it again. So here we go. This is the top left. So this is a live stream, right? Are you sure you want to stop? Okay, we could stop it, and then we can turn it on. And create a group. Oh, we got some messages. Oh, looks like Dr. Red sent me a message. Let's go check out his game. Oh crap! I think I'm inviting. Hold on, I think I just invited somebody to collab, but they're not. Hold on. So that might mean I have to. PT Jones. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I think I was inviting somebody. So I still think I'm inviting somebody. So let me get out of it. Oh, I got a message from PT. Wait, I think that was like 2 messages. Hold on. I think we're slowly figuring it out, PT. But let me exit out of this. I think I accidentally hit a button and let me get out of this first. I see your messages, I just can't get to them. Oh, and then here's a bunch of messages down here. I have not been looking at my messages. Okay. Hold on. Let me exit, and I cannot exit. I am stuck here. Okay. Let me just power shut down. Let's try that again, PT, if that's cool with you. Okay. Okay, so now I've selected your character or your icon, and now I'm gonna hit the invite to collab. I think I was accidentally trying to invite somebody that was not online. So it says you've joined. I would love a confirmation on your end. And let's get to the screen. Let's go and turn the logic on. Allow. Okay. Yo, we about to do multiplayer collaboration development, something that's never been done live before. Is that what's happening? Is that? Nah, that can't be. That doesn't. Whoa, these things got a lot of wires going on. Okay, there's a lot of wires. Is it working? What did like that? I don't even know what does that even mean? Like what? Wait, you can. You're in here. Hold on. Let me make some. I'm gonna change these gate. I need to change the physics to these. The unmovable. And I'm gonna save it. Okay. So if you're in here, PT. Which again, I don't know. Oh yeah, is that participator and spectator? Okay, so if you're in here, can I save it? I'm just gonna save it. Wait, no, it probably kicks everything out, right? So if I save it, I think that ends the session. Let's hold on. Oh, okay, so the session doesn't end and it looks like you're still in here. And if I do a play, the this door doesn't move easily. That's annoying. Oops. Where's the undo button? You're still in. Yeah, no, that's great. That's that means you like we can do multiple edits. And like you're in here editing, and this gorilla just there's two of them now. Okay. Let me go ahead and glue. That door handle is not glued, so I'm go over here, glue it. And so, PT, are you, like, did you create that other gorilla or no? Maybe not. Oh, and didn't I have a character with a simple follow? Oh, but then the game crashed. But I think there's a logic piece follow. Or a pre-made, I want to say. Yeah, simple NPC follow. So that's this one. Yeah, I can edit. You can, yeah, man, too. Feel free to edit stuff, man. So here are some zombies that I grabbed from one of Shogun's games, but for whatever reason they explode. I don't know why. I mean, Yeah, like that's cool. It's weird though. I would like it'd be cool if I could see where you're like editing or something, or like what you're. Oh wait, what the? Dude, eating somebody? That's a thing, I guess. Oh, so you can see me as a floating eyeball. That's cool, man. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. What would be cool if I would like to see if you could do like can you add something like in front of this purple house? I mean, it could be any just an asset and then save it, or maybe like a tree. Going to search for a monster and see if I can add it. Oh, yo. But I believe I have to be in here. Yeah, okay, so you go search for the like searching within HiPipe. I'm gonna go ahead and just do this thing with more fences. I wanted to like add some kind of like, not like maybe like a playground or something. Oh, a patio. Maybe a pool. That's cool. Okay, so it asked me to you left and then you came back, and it basically just brought up that same menu. Dude, this is ridiculous. I mean, this is just cool. Like maybe what? Yo, there you're at. Oh yes, yes. That. Oh man. Whoa. 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 And that guy looks better than the dude over that I have too, so I'm gonna delete my guy. Oh, well, maybe we could have both. Doesn't matter. My mind is blown. My mind is blown. Like that means like collab style. I'd be like, yo, I'm gonna like make the neighborhood. I gotta build the fences, right? Like, no disrespect. Making fences is super boring, but it's totally necessary. But I also need to have stuff on the other side of the fences. Because the fences are supposed to be high enough that you cannot jump over, but I want to have like multiple objects so that you can totally jump over. And that was cool, PT. Yeah, no, let me I'm gonna save it too. That's epic. Thank you, man. That means it's happening. It means the collaborative multiplayer editing thing. It's like it doesn't even honestly make sense to me how such like how does it even work? But like I guess it's getting figured out. Oh wait, is that? Yeah, okay. What is up with this alien dude? Like, I like this guy, but one of his things just flies off. No physics. Here we go. Enemy zombie. Let's delete that. And I'm gonna. How many monsters do you need? I like all of them, man. I you know, just the ones that like look simple, that can like move. So yeah, all of them. But no, not all of them, but just like just the ones that look like they would belong in a haunted house or a haunted neighborhood, I guess. Yeah, I don't even. It's kind of surreal. Oop. Yeah, because the thing with the monsters, if I don't like the monsters, I could just delete them. Oh, and okay, so you okay, allowed to participate. There we go. I wish it showed me where you were, because I think that'd be cool. I'm over here by the house in the corner. This is called the how you communicate, I guess. In yeah. Oh snap! A cool looking troll on the way. I can figure that out later. And the biggest thing I'm trying to do is like, look, if you take a look at the trash can, boom, we got a piece of candy in there. It's like, I just want to create a neighborhood and then just hide candy everywhere. And the pumpkins are candy. Players are candy. I once got hit by a truck that looked just like that. I mean, you can see the hidden candy up here too if you take a look at the shadows. Yo, there's the troll. Okay. Now let's go to this troll, and he's connected to... Why is he connected to the camera? Okay, so we'll probably need to get rid of that. Oh, it makes sense because he's connected to the camera in his hype. Or in the original hype, which I think is happening for a couple of these different dudes. Allow. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so I wonder why the troll is connected. So maybe we can do... Okay, I added an enemy zombie. Which... No, so he's just... This guy looks... Okay. Ooh, we got Bigfoot over here. That's cool too. Go here, advanced. Delete that one. PT says he's gonna see if he can copy some without any logic. I mean, I don't think a lot of these have logic. But I don't believe it's as easy as just adding an add-on to allow them to follow. Like, that would be cool. But I don't believe that's the case. Okay, you gotta... Oh, no. Did I save it? Oh, you know, it's this gorilla, man. Every time I touch this gorilla, it, like, causes a crash. Like I'm trying to delete that 50 on top of his head. Well, this is working. Oh, but you can't. I'm not able to delete this text. That's weird. All right, well, I'm just gonna delete it. Oh, maybe because everything's grouped up. Well, I'm gonna save it and get some more tea. I'll be right back. Okay, where we at? We got a bunch of stuff moving. And I got my AC on. Oh, no, we didn't. No, AC is off. It's just that the window is open. Okay, where are we at? What is this? Is it just a coconut that's got a lot of stuff going on? It's a spawner. It's a coconut spawner. We don't need it. Delete it. We got candy. And let's add some of the stuff here. Well, I think I saved it. Let's take a look, see what else we got in the Spooky Jam contest. We got some creepy looking dudes. Ooh, there's that Cyclops. I don't know what's going on here. I like this one. The color scheme on this is great. Oh, but now we gotta select the dude. There we go. Group. Copy. Okay. Tiny players in the house. What's up, dude? Currently working on a Halloween game with PT Jones. We We're doing some collaborative game dev stuff, which is pretty exciting. It's nothing too fancy though. What's up with you, man? Alright, I'm going back into the game, PT. Oops. Oh no. Okay, we set view. There we go. Go here, and maybe we can add another dude right there. Totally creepy. And we can maybe even put this dude like on top of a house. I mean, he's got wings, right? Dude, this dude's got wings. I wonder if I can make those wings flat. Oh wait, can we make this guy sit? Ungroup. Okay, let's look for a sit pose. Sit, disco, dance, zombie walk. Dance move, stand, jump, T-pose, hit, creep, dance, disco fever, run, jump, monster pose, gorilla hit, idle, hand, open, close, drunk, jump, run, stand, wave, stand, idle, walk, interact, pick up, run. Oh, come on, here, sit, idle. PT Jones in the house. Access change to participator. Yo, check it out, man. I just put a dude on top of the lamppost. Long ago in a galaxy far away, the legendary Hypsy has been seen on a planet game dev. In this planet, that Hypsy has been mastering his skills as a game developer. You know it every day. Also, I have a desktop now. Nice, man. I haven't had it. I don't even know the last time. The last time I had a desktop was 20 years ago. And I don't even remember. Oh man, dude, eventually it all just fades away. The memories, man. I don't even remember college. Like, did I have a computer desktop? I had to, right? Or maybe a laptop. No, I had nothing. I didn't have anything. Yeah, man. Hey, desktop. Nice. That's great. That's... Let's move this stick out here. Maybe like this. Yeah, kind of like this. I think like it. That's how. Yeah, that makes more sense. Whoa, 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 whoa! What is that? That's just a mouthpiece. Yo, we got some more slugs. That's cool. PT Jones bringing in. Thank you, sir, helping out with the game development. Always appreciated. We're gonna add enemies. That's gonna be collision. That's gonna be collision. This guy's in a T-pose. Okay. You know what? I think I want the monsters to have a barbecue. They've been they could wait. Is there even a barbecue? Can't wait for YouTube's new at Tiny Plays features where people have their original @ names. I think that's happening now. Yeah, people were claiming you could claim. Uh-oh. It's Tiny. I'm on it. I'm on it. I got buttons. Oh, it automatically deleted it. Nice. It's the spam block thing has gotten better. But it used to be really bad, so I don't know if what that means. Okay, block user on YouTube, yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, I got the Hype C. Oh wait, this is stuck too. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I already have the Hype C name, which is cool. Or for my YouTube, so like if you go to YouTube/Hype C, like you already get me. Yeah, maybe can I do a barbecue? Yes. We got a barbecue set. What's the undo? And let's get a grill. And a propane tank. Okay, cool. I can add in your YouTube URL and it takes me to your channel. Yeah, but that's always been the case. Although I did, yeah. Well, not I shouldn't say that's always been the case. That's been the case as of a year-ish ago. And then I feel like there could be like, I don't know if there's like a Zebo. Yeah, well, you have to have 1,000 subscribers or something. It happens when you have the ability to monetize, then you can change your @channel name. Cool, no problem, PT. So I don't even know when I got the ability to monetize. It was a couple of years ago. But now I think they're changing it so that anybody with this new name thing can have their name set up. But again, anybody who has had like a couple thousand followers or subscribers on YouTube probably already have their name set up. Can't wait to use my desktop. That's not new, by the way. It's my dad's 2011 desktop that he also played games on. And it does give me more stuff to play with, like better recording and also good for modern games. Yeah, man. That's great. Ooh, maybe magazines. No. Yeah, could play with some different kinds of software. Desktop is definitely different than laptop in terms of power. Okay, let's see what I can do. Let's go ahead and add some kind of patio deck over here. Something like that. Some bush. I think that should be good. Hey. It's a bigger step than what my 2018 laptop can give me. Also, integrated graphics are good, but not for today's games standards. Everyone is using a 2060 3080 GPU. Oh man, I'll be honest with you, I am out of the loop, man. Thank you for educating me on the standards of the things, because I have no idea, man. I'm a simple dude. Here we got this dude eating. I've seen it too. Like you know, it's like people's custom dope computer. I mean, the stuff looks cool, man. That's for sure. Okay, let's we gotta hide more candy. But you can't just put candy like in to be obvious. That's no fun. So we need like some kind of containers, something. What's outdoor, like a lawn? Can we type in lawn? No, this is just plants. Oh, wait a minute. All right. Weird. Okay. I just had music blaring in my. And that, of course, the sun comes back the moment. The moment. There's like construction going on. It was super cloudy, now it's sunny. I'm just trying to add hidden candies everywhere, man. Ooh, an Ani. Go ahead and make that brown. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do, which is just like paint up a scene. And I believe the house to the left is the one, yep. There we go, something like this. Don't forget your killer oak monster. Put candies in the bushes. Yeah, actually, that's a great idea. I like. Well, the thing with the candies in the bushes. So I cannot put the candy. So the bushes are a kinematic object. The candy is a dynamic object. So you can't put two physics objects inside of each other. But I could create an invisible object that once triggered causes something to spawn. So making it seem like the candies are in the bushes. Yeah, I could do that. So I might do that later because that would involve a lot of editing, I guess, and troubleshooting. So yeah, I like that idea, and it could totally be a thing. There we go. That's where the propane goes. Killer oak monster. Which one's the killer oak monster? Oh, yeah. Just create a bush that is a static object with no physics and have the candies in there. That's actually not a bad idea. Let's give that a shot. That's something that I could just do right now. BT Jones, you are allowed to add cool objects. Okay, so we got this first. No physics. The main thing is, oh wait, you know what? Let's go here, hit duplicate, and we can put this in here. I mean, technically you don't see it and it just disappears for a second, but it does work. I'm trying to think of, ooh, a spooky mummy. Nice. I'm trying to think of where, oh, you know what? So let's go to the candy object. Okay. Candy object is here. Edit. Okay. On collision. Vector transform. This makes it go small. So let's also add, maybe we can add a force. That way it'll just shoot up. Let's see. Nope. Oh, you know what? And then we can go here to the vector transform, and we can just move it to like 5 seconds. I mean, maybe less, but. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, what was that? Yeah, that was a big one. And here's a thing in the way again. That's okay. I think we can go to the force, the local force. Divided by 2. Yeah, I think that kind of works. So we can go here, check out the bush. And it kind of works. I've kind of stopped playing with HiPipe just because I don't have a tablet that works with HiPipe, so I can't really play with the app on the go. Create a hollow point with a few bushes. Yeah, hey man, that's cool. Be sure to use the mummy cube to move the character around. The mummy cube? Let's go take a look at this mummy. Yeah man, like I think they just released it on, or they're working on some stuff that you can download on Windows and Mac as well. But I've also been trying to use my phone more. Ooh, the mummy cube, okay. That's cool. Which reminds me, I need to check my phone. But Apple website is down. And yeah. I've been trying to use my phone more, honestly. Just because I think the potential for like some videos would be cool. Look at target. What target are you looking at? Yeah, that's the thing when you grab some of these characters. Okay, so clear, and you want to be looking at this dude. Let's see if the TikTok is. Oh, it is live. Cool. What's up, bye? Thanks for hanging out, Wookie. Okay. Yeah, I like the bushes idea. We need a way to get it to pop. I mean, maybe even another vector transform and then just move it up in the Y direction. A vector transform, like 0.25 Y plus 1. Move, yep. And then the on collision here, vector transform, move the object up, and then we can delete this one where you shrink it, and then on end, this one shrinks it. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's gotta fly up, man. Yeah, now it doesn't even do. Is this a dynamic object? Okay, the switch. Okay, we got a switch. That's for the sound effect. Got 2 vector transform. The delete is not working, so I'm having bug issues. Let's disable that. Yeah, okay, so it's moving up. That's good. Oh, wait. It moves up and then on the end. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Hey PT, I'm gonna save it. I'm not sure if you're still grabbing dope monsters. But so there was a bug here, it looks like. But if that works, Tiny Players, which I think it will, I'll be able to put the candies in bushes, which I think it's a great addition. Okay, we need some outside stuff. Got boxes, weapons, more boxes, spaceships, hats, letters. I mean, this kind of looks like a trampoline. And we got the candy. Let's go ahead and just like grab some candy, put them over here. Very cool. Let's test that out. I believe it's this house. Oh, is there no physics? There should be. Oh, and now they don't delete because it's a bug. There's a bug happening. Oh, no, there we go. I just didn't enable it. Is that multiple particle effects? That's one particle effect. Yeah, okay, that looked okay. Yeah, that works. We got candies in the bushes. Oh, we need some trees for sure. What's a good tree? I like these spruce trees. Okay, that looks cool. Grab some other trees. tree stump is always a nice addition. So yeah, I still gotta work on the basic game concept. I think right now I have it set up that you go trick-or-treating to 5 different houses, and then after you hit all 5 houses, the game's over. Yeah, and then you just try to get as much candy without maybe like running into a bad guy or something. And yeah, maybe give like some paths for the zombies and stuff to walk. Cool. I think that's good. I am curious on getting like that zombie to. Well, I mean, I guess it's falling. It's just that when I get too far away, it falls down. What is that? Wait, is that mouth? Okay, I think it's just a bug. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if that zombie. Let's go over here. We go over here. We select one of the trick or treat buttons, and we hit trick. And then this zombie blows up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna grab that zombie. I don't know why it blows up. So we got this enemy zombie. He could work. What do I do? Let's go here. Asset. Nope. Let me duplicate this dude. Move him over here. We can move him by the other zombies, which I may or may not use. Grab a logic piece. Got a container. Put that over here. Is the container reusable? Put him in the container. Get in there. Oh, you can't get in there, can you? No, because you have something on you. So now you can get in there. Show. And go over here. Enemy zombie. Okay, so you can't. Okay, so you can't do both. Okay. You cannot have a reusable that has an add-on. Let's see, edit. So this is the zombie follow. And this is the simple follow. I think these may be the same thing. No, they're not. They're not. Let's add the enemy zombie follow to this dude. And let's add the simple follow to this mummy. And let's go test it out. Okay, that dude ain't moving. That dude ain't moving. I mean, he's moving. He's cool. He's just not going anywhere. Physics. Yeah, so I might have to just have Some of these guys just like walk back and forth. This dude, I don't know. He. Yeah, man, this guy's got to have like a monster run. He's the dude from Stranger Things, right? Oh, but is it not Lupin? There we go, Lupin. Yeah, okay, cool. So I think trick or treat. I had a bunch of candy. And yeah, got 2 days left for the Spooky Game Jam. $1,500 in cash prizes. Also check out the Spooky World that is happening. Let's go ahead and save this. Don't forget to use the hashtag SpookyJam22. I have come close to forgetting to add the hashtags when posting. Remember, people are making planets. I made a cyberpunk planet. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then get back to working on my new game. If you want to check me out on TikTok, I might do another live stream, but again, I don't generally do commentating while I'm creating. I just feel it gets in the way. I mean, I guess I could if there was somebody like trying to seeing what's up, but usually I'm just trying to get into my little zone. But until next time, appreciate you hanging out with me. Thanks for hitting the like and subscribe button if you've done that. And yeah, I'll be back Friday to play some more games. And this was a very exciting live stream with PT Jones helping out. Oh, hey, yo, PT man, yo, I think it's cool. Thank you, all good. Thank you for hanging out and adding some of those characters in the stream. We did multiplayer collaborating. I honestly didn't think something like this would happen this year, and blew my mind. And yeah, that's just cool, man. Like, I'm again still curious on how this will develop, but man, it's like it's endless in the possibilities. So yeah, take care, PT. Take care of the family stuff. Enjoy your trip if you're still in the Switzerland. And yeah, plan to be back on Friday. Until next time, stay safe out there. I'm Hype-C. Until next time, peace. That button.